The Unbelievable RV Tour. We are in Lake Gaston. Well, actually, we're in Littleton,
We are.
North Carolina, at Thousand Trails Lake Gaston RV Resort. Got done the first 2 nights of the musical portion of the tour.
The kickoff.
Yes, and a little review of what we've done so far, because I haven't put too many videos on. We first started off in Ormond Beach, and then went up to Yemassee, South Carolina, to Oaks at Point South, where we had a tornado coming through,
That was fun.
just south of us. Or no, that was in Ormond Beach.
Or that was an Ormond. Yeah, correct.
Yeah, somehow the tornado, I'm trying to think. We were gonna go to Yemassee, and I was gonna go to Charleston, or we were gonna go to Charleston, because I wanted to go to the harbor or whatever, but. Oh, right. The tornado came through at Ormond Beach overnight the day before we left.
Correct.
And the next day, Ormond Beach to Yemassee, South Carolina to Oaks at Point South is about 4 hours, 5-hour drive. So when we got there, I was thinking we were going to go down to Beaufort and like for dinner or something, because it's a very historic town. But I was really tired, and we just decided to stay at the campground just to use it as an overnight stay before coming to North Carolina. We ended up playing bingo at the clubhouse. Now this is how a tornado warning or tornado watch can lead to big money.
Big money.
Yes, we play. They do 10 games, and it's 25 cents a card, and we each played 4 cards, and it's 10 games, ending with the coverall. I won the 3rd game, $13.75 I brought in. Cheryl won about the 7th game or something like that, and she also got about $13.75. But then the coverall came, and Miss Big Money here,
Woo, woo.
she won the coverall and brought in, I don't know, what did the coverall bring in?
I don't even remember.
I think it brought in $32. So whatever it is, I know we came out either $27 or $32 in the plus after paying for all our bingo. So that's how a tornado coming through can keep you up all night. And then, that was at 4 o'clock in the morning it came in.
Right, so
Yeah.
we didn't want to
So we had to go to the clubhouse at Daytona, because if the tornado actually hit the campground, you don't want to be in an RV.
So we went to the bathhouse and grabbed our cat in her carrier, and she was not happy with us, but it better keep her safe, obviously.
Yeah, a little adventure there. So we left Daytona
Went to Yemassee.
to Yemassee. That's where we won the big money. Then from Yemassee, we went up to near Winston-Salem, North Carolina, about an hour above Charlotte, to a place called Forest Lake RV, where the next night we went to the Tim McGraw concert down in Charlotte. What else did we do? Did we do something else?
We went to the
Oh,
cafe
we went
first, and then we went to the what was it called?
the Red Eye Diner.
Red Eye Diner.
And
then
we also went to, if you're from Florida, if you're one of our people in Florida, if you go to Publix, you'll see in the soda section, there's cheer wine. And Cheryl thought it was wine.
I had no idea.
Not from Publix, but I told her, we went to what's called the Cheer Wine Fest, because the town we were staying in was right near Salisbury, North Carolina, which is the home of cheer wine soda. It's like Dr. Pepper. You almost can't tell the difference. Good. And it's funny, because she thought it was wine. And I'm like, because I've had it before, because I like to try different sodas. And I know at Publix one time they had the Diet Cheer Wine, and I bought some, and it's okay. But the Cheer Wine Fest, it's a big deal in Salisbury, but...
Big deal there.
Yeah. It was just some vendors and some, like, food truck type vendors. And
crafts.
Yeah, but
the whole town turned out. It was obviously a big thing in town, which is cool. It's good to adventure.
It wasn't that good.
Yeah.
It was relatively lame. When you have exciting lives like we have, the Cherry Wine Fest was a little bit of a letdown. But on the other hand, we went to the Transportation Museum, North Carolina Transportation Museum.
That was awesome.
Where I did post the one video of the classic cars, and that was definitely worth it. So from there, we came here to Lake Gaston last week. I'll try to post a little campground
So we're watching on
review.
the boats right
Yeah,
now.
what we're doing, let's give you our view here.
Lots of activity on the lake.
Yeah, this RV is this park is right on the lake, and it's really beautiful. Let's turn the camera around and we'll give you our view.
Yeah, because it's much better to look at the lake than us.
Now here's our view. Straight ahead there's a beach. You can see a beach way in the distance there. Not way in the distance, but so our campsite is about maybe 200 yards behind us. And the scenery is good here. This is only a little tiny bit of it. So we did I did the 2 gigs last night over across the lake. Yeah, we did 2 gigs for our friends, the Lake Gaston crew. If you go to the Bamboo, when I'm on the stage, if you're looking at me, directly to my left at the big table there, that's where they sit every Wednesday. Bruce and Brenda.
The fiddle guy.
Yes, Ron and Nancy. Bill and Tony.
Mary and Bruce.
Jim and Nancy.
Yep.
And well, Scott and Donna weren't there this weekend. And they mixed with other people over there, and you'll know Bruce is my fiddler. He brings his fiddle out sometimes and plays along with me. Anyway, it's been a good week. What else to report? Anything? Go ahead.
No.
You have carte blanche.
Oh goodness.
She's very talkative on camera. In case you're wondering what this campground thing is, it's called 1,000 Trails. We have what's called an adventure pack, which is you pay a good amount up front. If you get it fresh without upgrading from another membership, it's like $17,000. And you could finance it over years. And then it's for what we have, it's about $1,200 a year dues. And there's 200 campgrounds around the U.S. that you just book them and you stay. You don't have to pay. I guess it's like a timeshare, but you can use it 365 days a year if you want to.
So when we're out for 5 months, definitely pays for itself.
Yeah, when we're out for a few months in October, or not October, in August we'll do retail campgrounds because there's no 1,000 Trails in Iowa. But for the other months, the $1,200 dues more than covers probably $3,000, $4,000 worth of camping or glamping.
Glamping.
Oh, what else, doll? What else you got?
We take advantage of campground amenities when we can. Yes, he beat me at mini golf. Surprise. But it was fun.
She got very upset with me.
Mr. Competitive. No, not at all.
Hey, I'm out to win, baby.
He takes no prisoners. But we do take advantage of being in the different areas and walking and running in the area and that kind of stuff. So it's kind of neat because good ways to explore the campgrounds.
We'll give you a little look around here. That's the clubhouse behind us. That's where you check in after you get your site. You let them know your site number. And that's the campgrounds up there. It's a big hillside with...
And there's a pool right there too.
Oh yeah, the pool's on the other side of the clubhouse there, but that'll be in another video. There's a lot more campsites up in those trees. Probably about 300 campsites here altogether. And there you have it. We'll see you in the next one.
Have a good day, everybody.
Who's that?
I don't know.
Memorial Day weekend. This is Sunday. I'm going to take a little walk around the campground here. Tomorrow we'll be heading to Williamsburg, Virginia. The campground there just outside of town. After that we'll be heading to Gettysburg. Yeah, the kids are all worn out. Busy day at the pool. This is the trading post. It's the store and some restrooms, and take you around front here to the lake. Camp store, get all your supplies. One of the better stocked ones, as the Lovely says.